Righto, morning, we're up. Gonna go do a solo explore. I'm equipped with a map. We've done one already on the weekend. We couldn't do with the dog, but I've got Sophie and we get off to decided to do the Great Wall of China.
Good day, welcome to our channel, Just Spanning It. We plan on taking 2 years to travel the Biglap of Australia, exploring coastlines, capturing picturesque scenery, discovering remote destinations, and visiting iconic Australian landmarks. We'll be travelling in our trusty Ford Ranger and trusty Explorer caravan. Free camping and budget camping our way around Australia.
Hi, I'm Derek.
And I'm Sue.
And this is our English Bulldog, Sophie.
Sit back, relax, and come along on our greatest journey, sharing our adventures, building our memories, and hopefully inspiring others to do the same.
So, we're 5 kilometres south of Blinman, 707 metres above sea level, and we're at the Great Wall of China, also or officially known as the Mount Emily. Swing around and show you. It's bloody fantastic, actually, how that looks like the Wall of China. And if you want, you can hike to the top. It looks like there's someone built sort of a stone mound. I suppose you leave your mark there. I'm not in the mood to hike. So just behind us, the Flinders Ranger. So I'm going to go through to Blinman, see if there's a shop there, grab a coffee or something, and yeah, carry on exploring. Wow. So I just pulled up to Blinman, stopped at the general store, got myself a beef pie, Coke, some ketchup, have a quick feed, and I'm going to take another little track around from Blinman and see where that takes me. So after the pie and Coke stop, I don't know, I'm going to do this little trip here. Let's just get out of the sun. Scenic drive to Parachilna via the Glass Gorge, 39 k's. Well, only one thing to do, jump in and do it. So I've just come through the Glass Gorge. Yeah, it's dry, guys. So there's no water running. Plantation's a bit better here, so you can see that. Yeah, this is probably a bit wetter here than where we have been. But anyway, we'll keep on the track and keep going. So guys, it's coming along this track and I saw a little road to the left. It's a pretty steep hill. Anyway, I decided to come up it, and I tell you what, it's paid off. Look at these views. Just pays to get off the beaten track. Looks like someone's even had a fire up here. Wow, that footage looks amazing from this viewpoint. Anyways, guys, we've got to get back down this hill and keep going. So, just got back to the van, pick up Sue, and the talk in the camp is Stokes lookout at sunset. So, we're going to head up there now. It's about a 10-minute drive and see what it's all about.
Memories will be tattoos on your soul. The years will get back.
So guys, yeah, we're at Stokes lookout. Wow, I tell you, it paid off coming up here, didn't it?
Beautiful up here.
Wow.
Clear.
So what we're going to do, we actually brought our little stove up. We're going to make a cup of coffee and sit back and watch the sun go down. Look at that.
Definitely worth the drive up.
A cracker grin, a pink sun was your skin. Riding a train.
So this is the work behind the camera and how we spend many an evening that you don't really see behind the scenes. Derek out with his camera.
Guys, it's cold. Wow, my hands.
It does
Let's
have the
hope
chill factor. It's the wind.
Let's hope this comes out the way I hope it's going to come out, but we'll see.
And he's trying to get a good shot of that backdrop. So I hope it comes out clearly.
They stole.
Righto guys, that's it for Skytrack Willow Spring Station. We're back on the road. We were going to head to Blinman and then cut across from Blinman to Parachilna and see if we can find some free camps along there. Great stay. I do suggest you come and stay at the Skytrack Willow Spring Station. 25 bucks for the night. No power, no water unfortunately, but very nice kitchen and toilets are clean, and obviously you can do the Skytrack from here. But yeah, enough dribble. Let's get on the road. So righto, we're gonna take this little track through to Parachilna, 32 k's. I believe there's a nice couple of free camps along this road, but it's a dirt road. So we're just gonna take it easy with our van and find a nice campsite tonight and, I don't know, sit back and enjoy.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
So we just arrived at Parachilna Gorge number 3. Beautiful spot this, so we're just going to try and get in here and park up and yeah, have a look around. Beautiful mountain in front of us. Yeah, just get set up. Wow, what do you think of this?
This is an awesome setting. Really good.
Jeepers, guys, I tell you what, we're allowed fires here at this this site. So I'm just going to quickly level it up.
60.
Look at that bloody mountain. This is old River Creek bed here. Yeah, guys, big fire tonight, I reckon. Stay warm. Well, let's get her level.
Happy holidays to me. I'm on my first day of 1 week of holiday and having my first chilled glass of wine in a beautiful location. I have got absolutely no idea where we are. Do you know where we are?
No idea. Somewhere in between Blinman and
Blinman
and Parachilna.
Parachilna.
About halfway on Parachilna. But also, guys, today marks 6 years we've been in Australia. So
Cheers.
cheers to that as well.
And I think we are exceptionally lucky to be travelling Australia and doing this trip and seeing the beautiful country that opened its doors to us. So grateful for that today.
Yeah, guys, and tonight we're just going to unwind around the fire and just, yeah, take the scenery in and cook dinner. What's for dinner?
I think we should have steak and a baked potato on the fire.
Oh, sounds great, guys. So, yeah, cheers to a good evening.
Cheers.
when the sunrise, when the sun.
How'd you enjoy the campsite last night?
Yeah, the campsite was good, guys. There was only 2 of us there, so we had a nice quiet night. But coming along the road this morning to the other campsites, there's plenty of people, so which is good to see.
Yeah, I reckon we've seen at least 10, 12 vans.
Yeah.
Or
yeah.
rooftop tents, vans.
So now, guys, we're on our way to Parachilna. I don't think there's a lot of kilometres to go along this road, and then we're back onto the bitumen. And then, honestly, we have no plan on where we're staying because we've had no internet. So we'll get there, hopefully there's a bit of internet, and yeah, we just keep going up, most probably towards Leak Creek, and look for some free camps.
Day 2 of Sue's leave. Day 2.
I've been searching under rocks and stones, been looking for some clue or another bit of proof.
Well, we're at the crossroads in life. There it is, guys, the back of the Flinders. So, yeah, we leave the Flinders today, and, well, we're at a crossroad. And we are going right, so we're going towards Leak Creek. I don't know how far it is, about 60k, so let's do it. So right, guys, after many stops, we finally found this beautiful spot. It's at Farina. It's $5 a night. What do you think?
It's awesome. It's got donkey showers, toilets,
Oh, flies are
table,
bad.
fire pit if you turn around.
So we're just set up here, guys. It's not real sites. It's obviously a very popular place because
She's
There's
pretty full.
there's a fair few caravans and camper trailers and stuff like that here. So, but on the way in, we saw this old little town,
Historic village.
So we're gonna just finish setting up and go up and have a look. So we just pulled up to the Farina Township information board, which we're gonna have a quick read, and then we're gonna go around and actually have a look at the ruins. So let's see if we can get some information for you.
Of dark to light, then back to dark again. And all I want is to let go. But I swear.
So we're just over at the information board, and it's got a really great history on Farina. So basically, Farina was a service town from the mid-1880s through to the mid-1900s. And the last resident moved out in 1975, and it's being lovingly restored by a caravan industry group and tour group, so that there'll be actually an active working bakery here eventually, and a little bit of history that survived the years.
Well, so let's take a walk around and have a look at some of the ruins.
Spend a lifetime waiting, forever rising, forever dying. Palindrome. Sometimes breathing in is all.
So guys, that's it for Farina Township and Caravan Park, or camping grounds. What did you think of it?
I think it was awesome. It was definitely worth a stop. The campgrounds were great, and the old historical township was really interesting, so definitely recommended.
So guys, that's it for this vlog. If you're enjoying the content, hit the like and subscribe button. We really appreciate all the support we've had so far. Share with family and friends. In the next vlog, we tackle the Udinata track.
Udadada!
And yeah, till then, we'll see ya.
Woo!